Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. This is Vikram here. When I was trying to open my Gmail app, it says there was a problem while syncing this folder. Please try again later. In this video, we're going to see how to solve this. Go to Settings. Next, click on Apps. Choose Manage Apps. Search for Settings and click on it. Open the Settings app. Now select Storage. Next, click on Clear Data and choose Clear Cache. Click OK to clear the cache. Again click on Clear All Data and click OK to delete all the data. Now again go to Settings. Again choose Apps. Click on Manage Apps. Now search for Gmail app and click on it to open. Select Gmail app. Now select Storage. Now you have to clear both data and cache. Next, open the Gmail app and follow these steps. Boom! Now the Gmail app is accessible. This is how I got solution for there was a problem while syncing this folder. Please try again later. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.